Hi guys, welcome again to my channel. My name is Tolu Falode. Today is just going to be a quick chit chat video about forgiveness. Now, I've spoken a lot about forgiveness because I really believe forgiveness is necessary to be able to move forward in your life, to be able to release yourself into purpose and destiny. And lack of forgiveness is poison to your person, it's poison to your relationships, it's poison to your environment, it's pollution to your purpose. And this is why I just decided to do a quick chit chat video on this because it's really important that we learn how to forgive. You see, because when we hold on to unforgiveness, we are holding on to the past, and hence it is impossible to face forward. It is impossible to get a clear vision of where you're meant to be because you are literally refusing to look into the future. You are choosing to be tied to the past. And this is the danger of unforgiveness. So, how do you forgive someone? Well, you forgive someone by firstly acknowledging the pain, because a lot of people are stuck in their pride. I will do a whole separate video on pride because these are really huge dangers to character and huge dangers to elevation in life. And the danger present in pride with relation to forgiveness is that pride blinds you from acknowledging your hurt. And like the saying goes, pride comes before a fall. Do you know why pride comes before a fall? Pride comes before a fall because it makes you walk blindly into destruction. Pride makes you walk blindly forward, and it's impossible to be able to see where you're going because you're so blinded by your pain. And hence, to be able to step into forgiveness, you need to acknowledge the pain, acknowledge that you were hurt, acknowledge that you regret that particular relationship, acknowledge that you regret what happened, acknowledge that you regret what led to this pain. And in that process, you'll be able to identify the problem. You'll be able to focus on the issue. And when you focus on the issue, you are able to heal from the pain. Have you ever injured yourself and tried to apply medication for every other part of your body? No, if anything, the pain just gets worse because you have refused to pay attention to it. Pain is another brief issue I want to mention with relation to forgiveness is to share. To share enables you to heal. It enables you to grow. When you share, not with other people necessarily, but you share your pain with yourself, you acknowledge that, okay, this person hurt me, this particular issue, this particular event really scarred me. Then you are empowering yourself to move forward from that event. You are releasing yourself from this grasp of that issue. You are releasing yourself from the pain. And when you release yourself from the pain, you are able to face forward. And this is why it is so important to share with yourself and then with others, because you will no doubt come across other people that have gone through a similar situation in life. And this is where experience is needed to be able to help them to move forward from their own pain because you were empowered to do the same. And this is why it's so important to share your story. When the pain heals, it becomes a scar, and a scar tells a story. I talk a lot about this on my blog, and I will link it down below. And when you are able to share, you are able to rest. You are able to rest in the knowledge of who you were. Yes, you made some mistakes in the past, but this enabled you to be who you are. And now that you've acknowledged the pain, you are able to move forward into who you are meant to become. And this is the power of forgiveness. I don't think people realize how potent and powerful it is to forgive someone. And I acknowledge it's not easy, but I do believe it is necessary. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be doing more chit chats. This was just my first chit chat video. I just decided, you know what, I feel like talking about forgiveness, and I talk about this a lot, but I just felt like sharing it on video with you guys. Let me know your own struggle with forgiveness. Leave a comment below. Let me know how you have been able to move forward from that situation and even mend those relationships. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys. Until next time, bye.